Everyone, so welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about today's topic. Today's topic is going to be about one of the biggest problems any girl I know has. And yes, well, before I get into the tutorial, this is not a video about the tutorial. This is just a video about the tools that would help you to actually achieve it. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about eyebrows. Yes. Eyebrows, it's a major problem for a lot of women, and to be honest, it's a personal problem of mine, looking at people with bad eyebrows, you know. So I just thought, hey, why not do like a tutorial on the kind of products that you should actually use for your eyebrows. Let's just get into it. So first of all, one of the things you should never do to your eyebrows is to use a black pencil. No, please, whoever started that, whoever did the, please let us just all come together, forgive the person and move on. I beg, because now, all right, so talking about eyebrows, first of all, one thing you should know is that God has given us all eyebrows. Yes, some people have more eyebrows than others, but like your eyebrows, your natural eyebrows, if you want to shape your natural eyebrows, you should actually follow the shape that you already have. It kind of helps you frame your face. Yes, eyebrows does a lot to your face. Even if you don't wear any other makeup, once you do your eyebrows, you're good to go. Like, once your eyebrow is flicking, you know, you're good to go. So first of all, you should get someone, if you don't know how to do it yourself, you should get someone that actually knows how to do eyebrows. Not people that would do your eyebrows in such a way that it becomes very thin, such that when you wipe your makeup, you don't want to come out from your, you don't want to cross your gates. We don't want that, please. All right, so first of all, you do your eyebrows. Now it depends on how you choose to do your eyebrows. I personally, I cannot stand the pain of threading, waxing, tweezing, all those things. Heck no. So I use my good old blade, please. Even though I have to do it like every 2 days because my eyebrows grow pretty fast, but I really don't mind that pain. I can't deal with it. No, please. So it depends on you. If you like the waxing, fine. If you like threading, fine. If you like what's it called, tweezing, please go ahead and do that. But please make sure that whoever is doing it for you is a professional and understands that, please, you need hair on your face, you need your eyebrows, you need the hair coming out from that place, you need it. Please don't get someone that will just pull out all the hair there and tell you to draw it back with a pencil. That's the biggest form of, oh well, okay. So let's go into the tools that you would be needing for your eyebrows. Assuming that your eyebrows are perfected, like shaping your eyebrows, the shape of your eyebrows is perfected. It's not supposed to be that hard for you to actually be able to now draw your eyebrows following that shape. All right, I can understand that different people have different our facial structures are different depending. We have oval shape, square face, square shape, and all that, you know. There's round face, heart-shaped face. So this also affects the shape of your eyebrows. So you might see my own eyebrows or someone else's own and like that for your face, but it does not necessarily fit your own face. So if you have that eyebrow on your face, it's not going to match. So you need to be able to calm down, accept the brow shape that is perfect for you, accept the brow shape that will fit your facial features. Did you see what I did there? Fit your facial features. Okay. Anyway, so accept that brow shape that's going to fit your facial features. All right, and just don't worry. Work with what you have, please. Because this person has a perfectly arched eyebrow doesn't mean that that same shape is going to fit you. No, please. So work around what you have. All right. So the tools that you would be needing for your eyebrows. There are several tools that you can use. Some people like to use a pencil. Some people like to use brow gel. Some people like to use powder. Some people like to use what's it called? I can't remember the name right now, but I'll put it up on the screen. All right, so I'm going to start with the one that we all started with, the pencil. Now this is the MAC pencil in Spite. I actually started with a pencil as well, and the reason why I like this pencil is because you really don't need to sharpen it. It comes out, the tip of the pencil is actually pretty thin, so you can use it to to draw your eyebrows without too much hassle. Now this pencil comes in 3 shades that I can remember. It comes in spiked, stud, and strut. So for we Africans, most of the time, or like if you're not light skinned like that, what would actually fit you is spiked or stud. Stud is darker than spiked, so I prefer to use spiked. Then after a while, I just realized, okay, you know what, there are still other options, and I might as well try using those ones. So I got so used to using the pencil, and I was like, okay, let me try the powder. Okay, so the next one is the brow powder. The first brow powder I got was from Silara Faces, and I used that brow powder for a very long time. I was so excited that, oh, so I actually know how to use a brow powder for my eyebrows as opposed to using a pencil. So like it was also a very good product to use. So when I finished that one, I went ahead and bought another shade which turned out to be dark. Apparently they no longer had the particular shade that I got, so I never got to use it. But that's not saying that a brow powder is not good. Brow powders are perfect for your eyebrows. If you know how to use it, then perfect. When you want to use a brow powder, actually you should use an angled brush. Use an angled brush because it kind of helps you like get the short strokes that you need for your eyebrows. So all you need to do is wet the angled brush and then just brush it on the brow powder, and you go in. And then you have to take it very easy so that you don't overdraw it or make it too dark, and then you have to start cleaning and all that mess. So the next one is a brow gel. These are the brow gels I have tried. I have tried the BM Pro, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and H&E. Now these 3 eyebrow gels, actually I love all of them, but I got to a point, I started using the Anastasia Beverly Hills one first, and then I just realized that it was too dark for me. It's a good brow gel, but maybe if I got a lighter one, it would have been perfect. So I just kind of stopped using it, and then I got the Haggai and Esther one, which is also good, but I was introduced to the BM Pro brow gel, which is what I've been using for quite a while now, and to be honest, I love it. Like, I don't have any complaint about it. It's perfect for me, no problems at all. So after the brow gel, the next one you can use, which is actually still a brow gel, this one is in liquid form. So you have to press it out, and then it's not liquid per se, it's pretty thick actually. So you still need to use an angled brush. Just take a little bit of it, and then you can start building your short strokes from there. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, that's what you should do for your eyebrows. So basically, it's either you use the brow gel, the brow pencil, the brow powder, or any of those things. Those are the 3 things I actually know that I've tried for my eyebrows before. I've actually used the brow gel, the one that comes in the mascara one, but that one actually came out light, which I liked. But so you can also try that. Like, you don't need any of all these other products. You just keep on brushing your eyebrows. I'll come up with a tutorial. I know that just talking is quite difficult, but for you to understand. But yeah, so basically that's what you need for your eyebrows. So until I come up with my tutorial for eyebrows, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was quite informative for you. Till next time, be good to yourself, love others. Peace out.